Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with VWO Experience Optimization Review My Usage Experience. VWO Experience Optimization Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and analyzing the effectiveness of Visual Website Optimizer, VWO, in improving website conversion rates. It's aimed at web developers, marketing professionals, and anyone involved in website optimization who wants to understand how VWO is performing for their specific needs. Key features likely include data visualization, A/B testing, result analysis, and possibly performance benchmarking against other tools. Their website provides details on specific features and plans. Their website highlights ease of use and comprehensive reporting as key selling points. They emphasize detailed data analysis to help users understand the impact of their VWO implementations. Pricing details are available on their website, though specific pricing models weren't explicitly detailed in my research. The service uses VWO's own analytics and A/B testing capabilities for its analysis. Availability is global, assuming you already have a VWO account to analyze. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using VWO Experience Optimization Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. After creating an account, which was free for a trial period, I was able to connect my existing VWO account within minutes. The interface was intuitive, though a bit overwhelming at first with the sheer volume of data presented. I quickly learned to navigate the dashboards, easily filtering results by campaign, date, and conversion metrics. I found the visualizations, especially the interactive charts and graphs, extremely helpful in identifying areas of success and opportunities for improvement. The platform's performance was excellent, the data loaded quickly, and the reporting was consistently reliable. I had a quick question about interpreting a specific metric and their support responded within 24 hours via email, very helpful and efficient. I was really impressed by how customizable the reports were, allowing me to tailor the data to exactly what I needed. One minor drawback was the steep learning curve. It took me a while to fully grasp all the advanced analytical features. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with VWO Experience Optimization Review. It's a powerful tool for anyone serious about optimizing their website's performance using VWO. That's my overview of VWO Experience Optimization Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.